Hi guys, it's Elizabeth here today, and today I'm going to try to do my makeup. And today I brought two new things. I brought this blush and I brought this lipstick. First of all, I'm going to do moisturizing cream. It's rose and jasmine flavor. I don't know if it's a bit too much. If you need to, you can look at a mirror, because that's what I'm doing. Next of all, I'm going to do body mist, and it's jasmine and rose too. I'm going to do blush, and it's Revlon. I'm going to do it with this brush. You can do it with any sort of brush. If you hear something, don't mind. It's just my sister. It's a really sparkly colour. I noticed that in the mirror. Oh, and if you're wondering how old I am, I'm 6 years old. And I'm turning 7 in May. Oh, if you're wondering, my channel is Izzy, Lizzy, and my brother is Crazy Kai. And we haven't made a channel for my little sister. Her name is Alice. So what do you think rhymes with Alice? Mine is Izzy Lizzy. Malachi's is Crazy Kai. So what rhymes with Alice? Maybe it could be Ali Pally, because we call her Ali Pally sometimes when she's cheeky. And don't forget, if you like this video, comment down below. I think it was a little bit too much on this side. No, it will be fine. So next I'm going to do some of my lipstick. The lipstick is LA Colors and the color is Hot Pink. It feels a little bit pointy because it's just new. So next I'm going to do my eyeshadow. It's a quad eyeshadow and it's OXX Cosmetics. I think I'm gonna do this one for my eyeshadow, and I am going to do this purpley colour, this golden colour, this black colour, and this brown colour. I think I'm gonna do the golden colour. I like the golden colour most of all of them. And the brush I'm using is a Real Technique brush. I'm putting it on my eyelid and I'm blending it out. There's one eye done. Now I'm going to do the other eye. It's a really pretty colour. I love this colour so much. If you hear that, don't mind that either, because that's my brother. He bought a new remote control thing that can fly. And this is how the eyeshadow turned out. I don't have any eyeliner, but I don't know if I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna try to just put a black thing here with this black eyeshadow. I'm going to use this one. It's the same brush as this brush, but it's just big. It's just a medium size of this one. So I'm going to be using the black. Well, none of them have been used except the golden because I got this eyeshadow yesterday and I used the golden because I like the golden the most. And I got it from Kmart in the mall. I need a wipe. This is not gonna work. So I'm not going to use this apparently. This turned out so bad. I just wanted to do it because I don't have eyeliner. I'm not old enough to have eyeliner. But I'll show you all the things I have. I have this eyeshadow. I have this blush. I have this eyeshadow. And I have this lipstick. And I have this glitter. And I have this thing. And I have moisturizing cream and this brush and this little eyeshadow and this little lipstick. I'm going to use a smaller brush this time and then I'm going to blend it out. Okay. And I'm going to use the black again because all eyeliner is black, of course. It just takes practice. I'm going to use this black. That does not look good. I'm just gonna wipe it off again. That's how it looks. I'm not gonna do that again. I do not think the black's going to be good. Okay, I'm just going to show you what I'm using to wipe it off. I'm using avocado oil with rosehip oil with a tissue. I need to put more golden on my eye because when I did it, some of the golden came off. Actually, this is a better brush. I'm going to put some of the golden on this eye too. This is a MAC brush, number 217. Yeah, that looks much better. This brush that's back, I'm making a mess with them. I've got lots of brushes here. These ones and these ones. I'm gonna take this glitter out of my bag because this isn't much to do with makeup, but I just keep it in there. Wait, okay, I've done it. That. And I have this. This is a Max Factor mascara. I'm going to look into my mirror, not into the camera, because I do not want to get this mixed up. I've never used mascara before. And then what do? You go like this on the edges so you don't have too much. And I think that's enough. Now I'm gonna do the other eye. Okay, that's enough. Okay, next I'm going to do one of these colours. I'm not sure yet. I'm going to decide what one looks good. I'm going to use one of these brushes again, Real Techniques, but it's not one of them that I have used. These two are the ones that I've used. I've got lots of them. These ones. Okay, what colour would look good? Actually, I'm gonna get this really thin brush, and I'm going to get some purple, and I'm going to try to make a love heart just right. And this doesn't have to be perfect, it's just for fun. I have never done a makeup video, so like I was begging my mum to do it. And then Mummy said, in the morning, I'll buy you a new makeup thing if we do it tomorrow. And then I said, okay, because I really love makeup. And then I bought this. And then I bought this new thing. It's a brush for my blush because I do not have any brushes for my blush. Put some purple on this brush. That's enough. Now I'm gonna do. Wait, no, I'm not gonna do a love heart. I'm not gonna do a circle. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, next I'm still gonna use this brush and I'm gonna do some white. And I'm gonna do on the other side another circle. And with this circle I coloured it in purple, and with the white circle I'm gonna colour in it white because it is a white circle. Well, it's turning like more bluish white. Maybe because the brush is well, I still like the colour. That circle doesn't really match the other circle. I'm gonna wipe it off. Okay, I'm gonna wipe it off with the same thing I used. Here we go. And I like the avocado oil because it makes my face look shiny. Okay, this brush was dirty and I couldn't get it off, so I'm going to use this brush. Whoa, the blue is really dark. Look. Okay, now I'm gonna do this. Okay, I just did a little spot up here, which I'm not supposed to, so I'm just gonna rub that off. This is my end. I hope you guys like it.